Boys, we are here different location. Look at this parking lot. You guys gonna get to know Joe. Say hi, Joe. Joe's the guy we met like last year, and since then, look at this. Ray's playing with his toy, which is a vet. It's electrical though. Joe and I and Ray, we are good friends. How much for? Right now.
28,000.
29, no, I cannot do that. I cannot do that. But dude, this car, I was telling Joe that I feel really bad because last year when we met, we put our cars next to each other and it was fun. But I don't have the footage, so that's my bad. But anyway, we're gonna do that again this season.
That's alright, because he lost.
That's true. But think about it. Oh, now we wanna get into it, alright? Think about it. He has a this is a 06. Beautiful 06. He wasn't even that far from a C6 base, so lighter. We're gonna have a rematch soon. Then we're gonna see it, right? I'm not adding any more power. I don't think he will too. So it's gonna be fun to see it. This is my car is basically the same though.
Yep. So they're
very close. Show me what you got.
So
2000.
2002 Z06. First year for the 405 horse LS6.
2002. How long you have?
Actually, it was 1 year. The 1 year anniversary was just, I think, last week. I bought it on my birthday. So,
That was a birthday gift?
I bought it for myself for a birthday present. It was mostly modified drivetrain wise, the way that it is now before I got it. I just cleaned up some loose ends. The exhaust was really bad. So I put a full American Racing headers exhaust system on it. It's their 1 7/8 long tubes.
Gotcha.
With their 3-inch X-pipe.
X-pipe.
And then I put the stock titanium Z06 mufflers back on it because it had a really nasty sound.
Which is crazy how that sounds.
Yeah,
like
it sounds great.
It's ridiculous. I was telling him like has such a high pitch that I wish my had it.
Yeah.
So it sounds really good. And you had a can on it, right?
Yeah, it's got a can in it.
Show us.
Oh man, so
he's embarrassed because he's dirty, but it's the beginning of the season. He's gonna get this clean.
We're gonna get cleaned up. I bought the stock fuel rail covers to put back on it so that it
I like clean like this though.
Yeah, well, they're Z06 specific because they're red, so I kind of want to go back to the stock. But it's I call this the basic beep. Mm-hmm. You know, you can beep that out. It's your run-of-the-mill cam only LS6, so it's a custom grind cam. It's secret to everybody.
Secret.
Full exhaust system. It's got a fast 92 millimeter intake on it. I'm matching electronic LS2 throttle body. I think I think they're like 85 millimeter or something like that.
Yeah,
Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's
yeah, you guys let us know, but I think he's right.
Yeah. So intake, cold air intake to match, underdrive pulley.
Underdrive pulley.
And that's pretty much it for the go fast stuff.
Gotcha. So you pretty much bought the way it is. You just add the headers.
Yeah, I fixed the headers because, like I said, the exhaust that was on it was really bad. It had actual holes, like quarter-size holes in it. Mm-hmm. So I couldn't take it anymore. So fix that. But everything else is pretty much how
this intake and the manifold. It's like it's an old one, right? I haven't seen that. Like,
yeah, I think it was really hard to identify it, but I think that this is probably like it was made somewhere in the early 2000s, just when they were coming out with this style, because it doesn't actually say fast on it. It just says 92 millimeter.
Yeah, over here just say
on the
like
other
92. Yeah, I'm backwards, but I like this though. I want to put this on my car though.
Well, those will be for sale soon if you want them.
I want it for free.
Okay, deal. It's on camera.
But I mean, the sounds, we're gonna get some revs here soon, but this is, do you know how much power it make?
Yeah, so it came with a dyno sheet from, I believe it was 2016, so it would be pretty close to just about how it is now, and it made 435 wheel horsepower and just about 400 wheel torque. So it's a pretty good.
It sounds like where it should be with all those mods.
Yep.
My car. So here's the thing. My car is pretty much there. Mine is 423 wheel and 399 torque. So it should be close. Yeah, it should be close.
Your torque probably comes in a little bit lower just because it's a 6-liter, but
yeah,
very similar.
This color, dude.
Electron blue looks really
nice. And he also upgraded the brakes, right?
Yes, we got C6 Z06 or Grand Sport or whatever you want
to call.
Those are technically C6 Z06 brakes, drilled and slotted rotors. I have the rears. I was going to put them on this weekend. I just haven't gotten around to it.
Gotcha. So the fronts are 17 and back?
No, the fronts are 18.
18, 19. Okay, so you...
They're HRE. Oh, God, I just forgot. The number designation, but they're true 3-piece.
Yeah.
You know. And
those are beautiful. They are beautiful. I was telling him, like, the first time I saw the car, I was like, you know, when you get confused about something, and I was like, I don't know if I really like it or if I don't like it, but I love those wheels, though. It's
they look really nice. And I got lucky. So when I bought the car, the guy Sean, shout out if you watch this, Sean, thank you. He had bought these wheels, and the story that he gave me was that he got them on a good deal because they were originally chrome, and the chrome was all pitting and falling apart. And he found a guy that does wheel refinishing that said he'd give him a shot trying to fix them up.
Gotcha.
And, you know, taking the chrome off. And this was the end product. So all the chrome was stripped off. He had the centers done in satin black.
Which, man...
Yeah, they look great on this
car.
With
great.
The black accents, it looks awesome.
So the same brakes go on the back?
Yeah, I got the same brakes for the rear.
Okay.
So I got anyway. Go back to the wheels there real quick. They had no tires on them. So no joke, I bought this car, and the same day that Sean dropped it off to me, I ordered 4 tires through my buddy Mike. Shout out Mike, thank you. Because I knew they had to be on this car. There was like no question about it. It had a mixed match setup.
Now, gotcha.
Stock wheels, and then it had a set of like aftermarket wheels, and I was like, no, this can't happen. So that was like the exhaust and the wheels and tires were like immediate right when I got it. That's pretty much all I really did. I mean, I work on cars for a living, so.
Which we're gonna see the other stuff you have soon. Yeah. He has way more, not cooler, but different stuff. Different stuff, because Corvettes are cool, but I mean, we are not, the typical Corvette guys. That's what I would say. You know what I'm saying?
I like everything.
Yeah, me too. So, we don't have the Corvette outfit, so we're good. If you guys are Corvette guys watching this, don't get mad on me, but it is what it is. You guys have a fan for it.
All things, as long as it's Chevy.
There we go. Yeah. We are on the same page.
Actually, I'll add a little bit. As long as it's Chevy, or as long as it's done right. I don't care if it's a Honda, if it's done right. Yeah. I bought this car because I wanted something I could just drive. I didn't want there to be having to work on it every weekend. I didn't want to have to, every time I took it out, I didn't think it was going to be reliable or whatever.
Yeah.
So this was like my point and shoot car. I knew it was going to be quick. I knew it was going to be fun, and I was hoping that my wife would like to be in it, but
she doesn't.
She hates anything that goes fast. So. Pretty much it with this car. Like I said, I got the carbon fiber lip,
which I really like it.
It's all cracked up and broken now because, of course, Corvettes are so low.
You can tell. You cannot tell. And you have the clear.
Yep, it's got clear corners. That's a new one. Oh no,
that's a reflection.
Yeah, clear corners with LEDs and all that normal stuff. So yeah, man.
No, it's a pretty clean car. This thing sounds incredible. I mean, you guys gonna see way more of this car here, and we're going to Joe's garage soon. When I say soon, whenever we find time for it. But yeah, no, we're gonna race though. We have to. We have to. We have to. It's just like I just feel bad because I don't have the footage when we did. It was so much fun. But now can we hear it?
Sure. Yeah. Let's do it.
You can definitely hear that. Woo! That high pitch though, you are making me think about make some change on my car.
Full titanium.
That would be cool. Let's do the wide body first though. But that's it. So thank you, Joe, for showing the car.
Yeah, man.
You guys gonna see Joe way more here on the channel, and let me know maybe a C5 soon once I'm done with the
Another one.
C6.
You already had a C5.
Yeah, but I want a Z06. Dude, the Z06, I can't. Every time I see these cars, like something inside of me, like I need a C5 to do a project car. That one that I had was a fleet.
Too nice,
yeah,
and it was too nice.
It was too nice. It was for an old guy, like a show car kind of thing. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.